Welcome to JazzTime. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch or like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Cartier Tank Americaine watch, reference WGTA0353 in yellow gold with a silver dial and blue leather strap. I'll tell you a little bit about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a tiny overview. Now, Cartier makes many different kinds of watches. One of their most famous collections is the Tank. Now in the Tank category, there's many subcategories, one of which is the Americaine or Americaine, however you pronounce it. They make four different kinds. They make the Americaine, which is what you look at here. It's a very long and skinny rectangular shape. Then they make a Tank Francais, which is kind of in the middle of that. It's also the rectangular shape. And then they make a Tank Must, which is a little bit more square, still rectangularish, but not as elongated as the Americaine. And then they make a Louis Cartier. Okay, so they make a lot of different variations. Not a lot, but enough variations. I think there's something around 48 or 50, something like that, variations of the Tank itself. Okay, now this is part of the Americaine collection, so let's look at that a little bit. Now the Americaine is marked by this long, skinny shape to it. And in the Americaine, they make several variations. They make a mini, which is really small, a small size. And then they make, I believe, actually, I don't think they make anything else. Just a mini and a small, actually, if I'm not mistaken. So the Americaine is all going to be quite small. This one is the mini. So they only make two sizes, mini and small. Okay, so with that said, let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. As I just stated, this is the mini, so it's going to fit women, and it's going to be a very small size. What exact size? It's actually 28 millimeters from top to bottom, going from 12 to 6. That's 28 millimeters, which is already small to begin with. That's the size of like a lady's Datejust, a very small. But it's only 15 millimeters, going from 9 to 3, which is even smaller. So it's very tiny. It's even tinier than a lady's Datejust, but it's meant to be that way. It's meant to be feminine, thin, something a lady could wear, and they do wear them. Okay, all right. So that is the case, and the case here is going to be made out of all yellow gold, and the thickness is only 6 millimeters, and that's because this watch is using a quartz movement, and that's going to allow it to not be as thick as a mechanical wind movement. Okay, now with that said, the case is going to have this sort of arch to it on the top. Okay, it has an arch to it, which is very beautiful in my opinion, and it's a very simple case, but it's a very elegantly done case. All right, and you have also this blue cabochon, which is, they call it a faceted crown set with a faceted sapphire. So I'm not actually sure if it's a cabochon or it's a sapphire or what, but I guess it says sapphire here, so it's got to be a sapphire. But anyways, Cartier is known for doing a blue sapphire there at the crown, so this one's no different. And yeah, looks really nice. And if you notice at the case, another detail is that the top of it, you see a different finish from the 11 to 1 o'clock, sort of a brush finish, and sort of a matte finish on the sides of the case. So you kind of have two different finishes. Pretty interesting, nice. Okay, let's move on to the dial here. The dial here is going to be just in their standard silver color. They do a lot of their dials in silver color. It's just a thing, and they almost always do Roman numerals. Sometimes they do Arabic numbers, but almost everything's with this Roman numerals. And in fact, all the Americaines are going to have these Roman numerals, which I think is pretty cool. It's just a traditional way to write the numbers. Okay, all right, so that's the dial there. Let's move on here to the strap. The strap is just going to be a blue alligator leather strap. Now you can change the strap, but it just comes on blue, which I think is also quite nice. It has a pin buckle, style buckle. Let's move on to the movement here. The movement is going to be a quartz movement, as I just stated, because this watch is so thin, they couldn't fit a automatic movement. That's not necessarily a bad thing. It just keeps the watch having better time, and it doesn't actually even have a second hand, so you don't see the hand ticking, so it doesn't look like, I don't know, you don't see that ugly stopping tick. It's just a very smooth action the hands. Anyways, it's a quartz movement, so you do have to change the battery once in a while. I'd probably say every couple of years. Okay, they say that. Yeah. Anyways, okay, so that's the case. I'm trying to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. Now, I'm a fan of the Cartier. I think it's a great watch, and the Tank is a very classic watch that many women could or would love to have, and so I think having this sort of style that not a lot of watches have this style, this long rectangular look, very feminine, very hip, and I definitely would say it looks elegant. You could wear it with a dress and many other things, and so I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.